Mist Killer Lance, innovative extinguishing lance designed to fight fires in enclosed spaces, difficult access areas, or high-risk fires. The manufacturers say of their brainchild, they have reason to be proud. This lance for firefighters is effective underground, which allows extinguishing even peat fires. It also penetrates brick, concrete, steel, and other materials and can be hammered in if necessary. The lance uses high pressure to produce a mist of tiny water droplets. This mist reduces the concentration of oxygen and penetrates into hard to reach, making the extinguishing process more effective. The working pressure is about 8 atmospheres, and the possibility of selecting different nozzles makes it easy to work even with specific fires. Sekizu. We continue our selection with some happy warehouse workers who now have loaders with omnidirectional. The trick is in the rollers, which are placed around the circumference of the wheels. Thanks to them, the operator can move the equipment sideways, rotated 360 degrees on the spot, and do other tricks in fast and furious style. The company claims that the wheels will fit any equipment with a payload capacity of 50 tons or less. From small tables to powerful, remote-controlled, semi-automated platforms, there are options for warehouses of all sizes. People in the comments joke about Michael Jackson's moonwalk. Do you think it looks similar? Dock Marine Systems Jet Ski Platform. Next is a platform which will make the life of boat and jet ski owners a lot easier. The designers added rollers and wheels to it, and thanks to the V-shaped design, it's easy to put jet skis on it even without experience. The manufacturer offers several models of different configurations for different vehicles. For example, these modular block systems can hold up to 2,205, while they weigh only 353 pounds. You can also add straps to secure your equipment and, if necessary, connects the platforms to form one huge docking structure perfect for boathouses. And the wheels are removable, so it's easy to adapt them to your particular jet ski model. MVB3X, Security of State Institutions. Public events is a challenging task. For example, more than 80,000 people gather at the Reading Music Festival alone, so these barriers would definitely come in handy. They're compact, easy to install, and very effective, so much so that one block weighs only 53 pounds, but it can stop even a truck weighing up to 16,535 pounds. These barriers were invented in Israel and were already on the 3rd generation. They can be deployed by one person, and the average speed is 1 section per minute. If you need to move already assembled blocks, the built-in wheels will help you. The design has been certified according to international standards and is even used on military bases. Spacruzzi. The question isn't, why would you build a hot tub boat with a gas-fired fireplace? The question is, why wouldn't you write the authors of this engineering masterpiece? On your screens is an electric self-heating hot tub with hydromassage for 6 passengers that can travel up to 5 hours on a single charge. The device not only heats the water autonomously, but also changes it and cleans it by itself. The design can be chosen by the client as well as the lighting, awnings, and other features. In order to keep your gadgets from getting wet, there's a special storage container. The approximate price for this awesome boat is $50,000. Nova Innovation. Have you heard that the French authorities have drawn up the page documents, according to which France has to reduce its energy consumption by 10% in a couple of years, and neighboring countries are also in trouble. Germany and Spain have put a limit of 66 degrees Fahrenheit on the heating of public buildings. At the same time, they're working on clean energy projects such as these tidal turbines. The authors of the project are the Scottish company Nova Innovation, one of the market leaders in tidal. Each turbine generates around 100 kilo and can be easily integrated into different infrastructure. 6 turbines will charge up to 30,000 electric cars per year. The design life is 20 years. The turbines don't affect shipping and navigation. They're quickly assembled and can be delivered anywhere in the world. The ARTCOOL V1. It is an interesting, The authors of this robot received funding through a European Union program. It doesn't look too cool, but it does a lot of important things. It's an inexpensive agricultural model that automates farmers' work from analyzing and harvesting crops to weeding. The robot weighs less than 220 pounds, and their tires are 4 inches wide. They support 4 satellite systems: GPS, LONASS, Galileo, and BDU, with an accuracy of up to plus or minus 0.4 inches. And thanks to the Intel Core i7 processors, the robot is ready to work autonomously and without connection to the network, processing data independently and distributing fertilizers, collecting samples, and more. The robot can move at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour.